Shweta.
Welcome to our channel
Science and Fun.
Today we are going to show you acidic and basic nature of food items.
And we are using purple cabbage water for that.
Took purple cabbage and boiled it in water. Now I'm going to strain this water.
So guys, you can see it's purple now.
It's the color of purple.
It looks so good. Yeah, that's enough. Ooh, looks beautiful.
Now let's add cabbage water in these glasses. So guys, now I'm going to add lemon juice to this water. Let's see how it turns.
It's turning bright
Red. Now let's mix it.
So you can see how it is. It's so bright.
So guys, you can see that the color turned into purple to red.
So guys, and now I'm going to add baking soda into the purple cabbage water. Let's see what color it's going to turn into. Let me just do it right now. Spoon. Now let's mix it and see if it's gonna come.
I think we need Yeah, now it's turning kind of different. I think that's enough.
Guys, it's turning bluish. Green?
No, blue. Dark blue.
Dark blue. What nice color. Cabbage water can be used as a pH indicator.
In acidic medium, the cabbage water turned red, and in basic medium, the cabbage water turned blue.
Bluish green.
Bye bye guys, see you all in the next video. Please
Subscribe, like and share.
see you all in the next video.
Bye.